This inquiry preview will help you prepare the FeelSound activity. This hands-on activity does not require any prep time, will take about 30 minutes to complete, and works best when students work individually. The purpose of this activity is for students to investigate the cause and effect relationship between sound, volume, and vibrations. Sounds are caused by the vibration of objects, like the vibrating strings of this guitar. The rate at which an object vibrates is called frequency. Frequency determines how low or how high a sound is. This is known as pitch. The lower the frequency, the lower the pitch. The thicker guitar string vibrates at a lower frequency than the two other strings shown here. The middle string vibrates at a higher frequency than the top string. The greater the frequency, the higher the pitch. The bottom string is the thinnest one. It vibrates with the greatest frequency of the three strings. For you to hear sound, it must travel through a medium to get to your ear. Mediums are typically solids, liquids, or gases, with air being the most common medium we hear sound through. Vocal folds, or vocal cords, located in your larynx, are responsible for producing sound. As we exhale, air flows over the vocal cords, causing them to vibrate. When more air is forced over the vocal cords, it causes them to vibrate with more force. The resulting sound is louder. You can feel these vibrations in your throat. When you whisper, the vocal cords are not used, so you will not feel vibrations in your throat when whispering. As you prepare for this activity, complete this checklist before class starts. If you plan to have students listen to the science song, Cause and Effect, or the science read-aloud story, The Low Energy Band, then have a projector and speaker available for this portion of the lesson. To help ensure a smooth activity, include these topics in your pre-activity discussion with your class. To make sure all students understand the procedure, model each step for the class. For Step 1, show students how and where to place their fingers on their neck. Stress that students should gently place 2 fingers on their throat, right about where their larynx is. Check to make sure each student is placing their fingers in the correct location. Students should follow the procedure for this activity. Step 2, asks students to speak in a whisper. Students can say their name or any other word or phrase they choose. Explain to students that they will want to say the same thing throughout the activity for a more reliable experiment. Students should have observed that soft, low-volume sounds can cause weak vibrations. Loud, high-volume sounds cause stronger vibrations. When students have finished, bring them together to discuss their findings. Then, use the questions in the Teacher's Edition and online resources to guide your discussion.